Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Dasha. I'm artist from Slovenia. If you're new here, you're welcome. In this channel we draw cute little creatures and have fun with it. So let's go to the video. I filmed this video back in December, but I didn't have time to edit the video until now, so that's why it's a little late and it's finally a new year, and I hope you enjoy this video. I have a little twist that will happen in the end. The first thing I did here, I just draw a little sketch in my sketchbook and then I just go over it with the black fine liners that are waterproof and I can draw easily on top with my colored inks. I'm using acrylic inks because they don't lift up and I can do multiple layers on top and I can blend color much easier than if the color would lift up. So I really enjoy drawing that way and in that style. I wanted to draw a chicken. I didn't want to use the usual color that chicken have, so I decided that I will twist that, and later I made just a little accident about the scarf, but you will have to wait until you see me color the scarf in the end. It's not a big mistake, but it's funny enough that you don't want to usually draw and be hungry at the same time, and you will see later why is that. You probably see by now that I'm using the green color for the chicken, and I have in my mind the idea that I wanted to have a grass feeling with the mushrooms, that the chicken and the mushroom go together, and then I wanted to make him a yellow scarf, but you will see later that I shaded it with the wrong color, and you will see why is that important in the end. Now I have the base color down, which is the middle green color in the middle section of the brightness, and I'm using the yellow color for the left side to do the highlights, and then for the right side I use darker green color for the shadows, and I do that for the whole piece, and I just color in section by section. I'm firstly doing the chicken, then I'm doing the lights and the scarf, and last, because they use a lot of colors, I just color in the mushrooms. Usually I want to have the base layer so that I have in my mind how the colors will look beside each other, kind of, and then I just use the colors that are calling me the most. So here in the mushrooms you can see that I use just a little touches of the red color, then blue, yellow and orange and brown for the effect of the kind of colorful and happy mushrooms, and I want to portray the variety of the mushrooms. So here I spent my most time for attention and detail, and after I did the base color for the mushrooms, I go back in and color in the scarf. Now you see why it's not good to be hungry and draw at the same time, because in the beginning the scarf looks okay, but here you can see clearly that it looks like a bacon, and I don't know if that's a funny little detail. You tell me if you like the chicken with the bacon scarf around it, and yeah, let me know in the comments. I would really like to name this chicken because I really like it very much. For the end of this coloring process, I'm just using Posca pen markers and Artex acrylic markers just to do a basic highlights. For the mushrooms I use white dots for the details, lighter color for the highlights, darker colors for the stems, and I use darker color for the ground around the mushrooms. And I just go in slowly and I just go over the areas that bleed through, like here in the mushrooms. You can see that the green from the chicken bled a little through the first mushrooms on top, so I just go over it with the lighter color of the same color that the mushroom is having. You know, and that's my simple drawing process. I hope you like this video and comment down below chicken if you're still watching. Thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you in my next video, so stay joyful.